My message to my kids and to my family is I want them to know that I always love you, you know, and I always respect you, and I'm just here for you. Whenever, whatever you need from me, I'll be there.
As your father, I will always be here. And you, my family, is a blessings in my life. It's a God-given opportunity to experience unconditional love. And yeah, Papa will always be here.
I have my own path, and with my path, I ensure that I carry all of you as much as I can. But once you started your own path, have fun and give yourself a chance to live a good life.
Mahal ko sila higit sa aking kayang sabihin kasi walang salita na naisip ko na magkakahon sa aking nararamdaman. Tsaka gagawin ko ang lahat ng kaya ko. Huwag lang matanggal muna. Tatanggal. Huwag ko na sabihin yan. Cut na lang.